Hello guys, today we are unboxing and reviewing the Eden 96213 Lawn and Garden Essential Oscillating Sprinkler. Let's dive into in detail. So as we open the box, we find the Eden Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler neatly packed. So inside we have the sprinkler unit itself, the quick connector starter set, and the additional accessories to enhance your water experience. So this quick connectors starter set, which allows for easy connection and disconnection of the sprinkler for other watering tools. The sprinkler has a heavyweight base which promotes stability during operation. It is designed to cover up to 3600 square feet, which makes it perfect for large lawns and gardens. There are two ways to connect oscillating sprinkler to a hose. First one, using this adapter. First you screw the adapter into this sprinkler, and now we use a quick connector. This is easy for connecting and disconnecting the water supply. So we connect to this adapter by just pushing it, so it's easy for connecting and disconnecting. You don't need to screw the hose to this connection. So it's easy for pushing and pulling out, so you can just push down with your fingers and just release the hook, so it will attach to this adapter, and there you go. And we have in the unit 16 precision nozzle. The sliding tab range controls make it easy to adjust the length of the watering area, so you can water exactly where you need. You can adjust this range depending upon your need. It covers up to 180 degrees, so you can switch the direction and stick to a specific range. I can show you an example in my garden. Now I'm connecting the hose to this quick connector. So after screwing the hose to it, now you can see, so it covers around 3600 square feet of area with this oscillating sprinkler. Now as you can see, I have set up to only one direction of the garden, so you can say it is like 90 degrees, so it covers up to that sprinkler to that part of the garden. As you can see, there's a massive range of area. So likewise, depending upon your need, you can set the range of this oscillating sprinkler. Even if you accidentally step on this, it is most durable. In conclusion, the Eden Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler is a versatile and reliable tool for maintaining a green and beautiful lawn and garden. With its precision nozzle, easy to use controls, and durable construction, it is designed to make your watering task easier and more efficient. If you found this unboxing video and review helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more product reviews and unboxing videos. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.